Your dryer is running a second cycle on the same load. You started that load 90 minutes ago. The clothes are warm but still damp. The dryer heating element is producing the same heat it always produces. The moisture is leaving the clothes. But the moisture-laden air has nowhere to go. Because the vent duct is partially blocked with lint, reducing airflow to 30%. The dryer runs longer. The heating element cycles longer. The clothes stay damp longer. You run it again. A dryer with a blocked duct runs 94% longer per load, on average. At 16 cents per kilowatt hour, that is $131 a year in excess electricity. The heating element, designed for 5 years, fails in under 3 at double cycle duration. The CPSC documented dryer duct lint as a fire hazard and efficiency loss in 1959. A vent brush kit costs $7.47. The dryer vent cleaning service charges $149. A blocked vent is the cause of 15,500 house fires annually. Let's break down the actual cost of that service. At cost, travel and service $60, labor $14.67, brush 75 cents. Total cost $75.42. They charge $149. That is a 98% margin. $141 in margin per customer every single year. 400 residential clients, $56,612 in annual margin. But the fire risk is the metric that matters more than the cost. Median home fire damage, $13,475. Lint is combustible at 451 degrees Fahrenheit. Exhaust temperature rises when air cannot exit, reaching combustion range. Now, let's look at the physics of this blockage. Dryers exhaust moisture-laden air at over 100 cubic feet per minute. Most lint is caught by the screen, but particles below 50 microns pass through into the duct. These particles separate from the air at duct elbows, building layer by layer. A quarter-inch lint layer drops your effective airflow by nearly half. Stop. Let's revisit that 1959 report. The National Bureau of Standards identified this as a primary ignition source. Annual cleaning of the dryer exhaust duct was specified as the prevention measure. The service companies are just performing this documented maintenance task. The task requires a $7 brush and 22 minutes. Consumer uncertainty created the market. The task has not changed in 60 years. Annual cleaning is for all residential gas and electric dryers. Every 6 months if you do over 10 loads a week or use heavy fabrics. Signs to clean. Clothes take over 1 cycle. Burning smell. or exterior flap won't open. If you have a plastic accordion duct, replace it with rigid metal immediately. Plastic ducts trap lint and are a severe fire hazard. Now, let's walk through the 22-minute protocol. This brush system costs $7.47. Step 1. Disconnect the duct from the dryer outlet. Step 2. Go outside and remove the vent cap. Insert the brush and work it back and forth to pull out the lint. It might take working from both ends if the blockage is significant. Step 3. Connect the brush and work through the full length of the duct. Rotate and advance through the full run. Pull out and vacuum the brush between passes. Step 4. Vacuum the duct entrance and the lint trap housing. Step 5. Reconnect everything and push the dryer back into place. Run a test cycle for 5 minutes. Go outside. The flap should open fully with strong airflow. "22 minutes. $7.47. U.S. dryer fires cause $233 million in property damage annually. The 1959 NBS investigation specified annual duct cleaning as a homeowner task. Service companies generate 98% margin from this self-serviceable task. Tonight, pull your dryer from the wall. Disconnect the duct. Look inside. If it's gray, clean it this weekend. Tell me in the comments, how many cycles does your dryer need per load? And what is your duct material made of? Every blocked vent cleared is one fewer house fire. And one fewer expensive annual service contract. Next video. Your ceiling fan is spinning the wrong direction for winter. The thermostat is set to 6 to 8 degrees, and your HVAC runs 23% too much. Reversing the fan motor takes 11 seconds with that switch. This has been an HVAC engineering documentation since 1961. The HVAC company recommends a smart thermostat upgrade at $287. See you in that video to save that money.